Blue is the color for dark skin, isn't it? Smash the like button is an easygoing hairstyle for a 1-week vacation. In order to achieve this hairstyle on a 4C hair texture, I need a red one wax, a rat tail comb, and some clips. And I decided to split my hair first into 2 in the middle, right here at the center, as you can see, using my rat tail comb. And thereafter I split each part again into 3 sections, which will give a total of 6 cornrow braids at the very end. Make sure you get enough clips as possible to put away that hair section which you're not going to work with, so it becomes easier for you. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome my new watchers, new subscribers, and thank you the old subscribers for supporting me as always. I really do appreciate. If you're here for the first time, my channel is all about hairstyle and fashion, and I have a hair page on Instagram at Z Hair Club and a personal page as well at Zora Styling, which you can check it out for more inspiration if you don't find it here. Unfortunate that I could just record this one cornrow, so I'll beg on your indulgence to please look through the process and repeat it as many times as possible to get it, since as I could not record further as my space was running out of my phone. I was filming actually with my phone and I didn't have enough space to film the entire process. But what I'm doing with this one corner right now is the same thing I did throughout on the other remaining 5 cornrows.